Apple has introduced a new privacy feature that forces apps to ask permission in order to be able to track their users' activity. I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll be explaining how this new privacy feature works and how to adjust your privacy settings to prevent apps from tracking your activity for advertising purposes. Now let's get started. You may have seen some recent news articles about conflict between Apple and Facebook over new privacy features Apple was rolling out. The new privacy feature forces apps to be transparent about tracking their users' activity for advertising and marketing purposes. Many app developers were upset by this new policy Apple is putting in place. Facebook is one of the many hugely popular apps that rely on being able to track their users' activity for better ad targeting, marketing information, and more. Facebook even went so far as to take out full-page ads in the New York Times, Washington Post, and Wall Street Journal, publicly criticizing Apple for putting this new transparency policy in place and claiming that the policy would negatively impact small businesses who run marketing campaigns on social media. In response to the criticism Apple was receiving from app developers, they released a statement. "We believe that this is a simple matter of standing up for our users. Users should know when their data is being collected and shared across other apps and websites, and they should have the choice to allow that or not. App tracking transparency in iOS 14 does not require Facebook to change its approach to tracking users and creating targeted advertising. It simply requires they give users a choice." With the new policy in place, iPhone users will be able to see privacy information about all apps right in the App Store and can choose to disallow apps from tracking their activity when requested. If you look at an app on the App Store, you'll see privacy information below the app description. When you open an app, you may see a pop-up requesting permission to track your activity. Here you can choose to allow tracking or ask the app not to track. To easily turn off these pop-up requests for all apps on your device, open your Settings app. Then scroll down and select Privacy. Tap Tracking. Then disable the switch labeled Allow Apps to Request to Track. This will disable all tracking requests on your device. That does it for our overview of the new privacy tracking features on iPhone. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.